Get your planting done with precision and ease using the Huiman Li Ion Spreader. This high-efficiency tool features a 35 pounds grain tank and an adjustable spreading radius of 10 to 25 feet, ensuring uniform seed distribution over large areas. Designed for comfort, it rests securely on your chest with a supportive strap, making long tasks a breeze. Powered by a 24-volt lithium-ion battery, it offers up to 3 hours of continuous use and weighs just 6 pounds, excluding seeds. The lightweight, low-maintenance design ensures hassle-free operation, making it a must-have for farmers, gardeners, and landscaping enthusiasts. Tackle heavy-duty wood-splitting tasks effortlessly with the built hard log splitter. Equipped with a powerful 15-amp copper motor, this machine delivers a robust 14,330 pounds of splitting force, handling logs up to 20 inches long and 9.8 inches wide with ease. Its durable all-metal construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the built-in hydraulic jack simplifies adjustments. Portable and user-friendly, it features 5.7-inch sturdy wheels and a convenient handle, so you can move the 98 pounds unit wherever it's needed. Perfect for firewood prep or construction projects. Revolutionize your woodworking with a Recon M1 caliber measuring tool. This game-changing accessory for your miter saw eliminates the need for manual measurements, allowing you to work up to 3x faster. Its backlit LCD screen displays measurements in metric and imperial units, ensuring precision no matter the material, whether you're cutting wood, composites, or pipes. Simple to install and compatible with most miter and band saws, this tool takes accuracy and efficiency to the next level. Install cabinet hinges with professional-level precision using the Craig KHI Hinge Concealed Hinge Jig. This compact, portable tool makes hinge placement quick and easy, delivering drill press accuracy without bulky equipment. It comes with a carbide-tipped drill bit and depth stop to ensure perfect results every time. Whether you're a pro woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, this jig is perfect for speeding up projects without sacrificing quality. Experience effortless chiseling with the Arbortech Power Chisel Kit. Powered by an 8-amp motor, this tool delivers 11,000 strokes per minute, effortlessly cutting through even the hardest woods. The kit includes 7 premium chisels that are easy to swap with the push of a button, no extra tools needed. Its ergonomic design reduces vibration and noise, letting you work longer with greater comfort. Everything comes neatly organized in a durable case for easy storage. Save time and effort on plumbing jobs with the Milwaukee M18 Force Logic Copper Press Tool. Lightweight yet powerful, this tool delivers 7,200 pounds of pressing force and is 20% lighter than competitors. Compatible with over 20 fitting systems, it boasts a brushless motor for 20% longer run times and 10% faster press cycles. With advanced features like the One Key system for remote monitoring, it's built to handle up to 50,000 cycles before calibration. The DeWalt Metal Shear Drill Attachment is your all-in-one solution for cutting metal and other materials. This versatile tool handles up to 18-gauge sheet metal, roofing, vinyl, and even rubber with ease. Its 360 degrees rotating head allows for effortless cutting in any direction, even in tight spots. Compatible with most 18-volt drills and impact drivers, this attachment replaces multiple tools, making it an essential addition to any toolbox. Diagnose electrical issues with ease using the Klein Tools ET310 AC Circuit Breaker Finder. This tool features a transmitter and receiver duo that quickly identifies the correct circuit, providing both visual and audible alerts. Suitable for 120-volt AC networks, it also includes an RCD tester to verify wiring status and circuit protection. Its compact design ensures easy storage, making it a perfect fit for your toolbox. Effortlessly inflate anything from car tires to sports equipment with the Bosch electric air pump. Compact and lightweight, this handy tool offers quick inflation with adjustable pressure settings. Ideal for use at home or on the go, it's perfect for outdoor adventures, road trips, and everyday household needs.